Doon, aron dyan sino.
Naka-display ka, hello?
Susok ko na ngayon yung SK. Para tayo ay mag-save.
Kasi extended display. Duplicate. Okay, kaya kami.
Dapat na yan.
Masalan ka?
Okay, nagkatali ba para lang ito?
DLG naman si. Okay, ha? Lama lang sa kasalan.
Sir Bobby, sir, dahil pa. Okay, Sir Bobby. Okay, sir. See. Okay, Can we start? Can we start? So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the pre-procurement conference for the civil work. So, I will call this meeting in order for the three civil work projects, namely Contract ID 26JA0023, EIP Multipurpose Building Facilities to Support Services Construction Multipurpose Building, Barangay Arena Blanco, Zamboanga City, Zamboanga del Sur, ABC, 4,725,334.22 centavos. Next is Contract ID 26JA0033, CPAC access road and or bridges from national road leading to major strategic public building facilities. Construction of bridge connecting Barangay Landang Laon to Barangay Busay, Zamboanga City. Station 3 plus 725 to Station 3 plus 755. Contract ABC 19,444,750. And last is contract ID 26JA0036. Contract name CPAG access road and or bridges from national road leading to major strategic public building facilities. Reconstruction of complete pavement, Barangay Pasobolong, Zamboanga City. Several sites. Site 1, Station 00 to Station 030. Site 2, Station 01 plus 185 to Station 0 plus 445. And Site 3, Station 1 plus 75 to Station 193. With a contract ABC 18,909,951 and 62 centavos. This activity is being conducted pursuant to the provision of Republic Act Number 12009 and its implementing rules and regulations to ensure that all procurement documents, technical specifications, cost estimates, and bidding procedures are in order prior to advertisement and conduct of the bidding process. May I request the Back Secretariat to confirm the presence of the member and concerned officials.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Our Vice Chairperson, Engineer Antonio Peñaflor Jr., present. Our regular member, Ms. Vilma Francisco, present. Our provisional member for all types, Engineer Mary May Bolalato, present. Our end user for the construction project, Engineer Rex Fernandez, present. The Head Technical Working Group, Engineer Joel Perla, present. TWG members, Engineer Mary Jane Santa Teresa, present. Engineer present. Personnel from Planning and Design Section, Mr. Benz, present. And Ms. Shailene Ali, present. Our Head Back Secretariat, Engineer Leo Dalcontas, present. Member, yours truly. That would be all, sir.
The project for discussion are the projects mentioned by our Vice Chair, Project ID 26J0023, Project ID 26J0033, Project ID 26J0036. The advertised date would be today, later, June 26, 2026. Pre-bid date will be on July 6, 2026. And the opening of bid is on July 20, 2026. The procurement will be conducted through competitive bidding in accordance with Republic Act Number 12009. The proposed procurement schedule includes the posting of the invitation, to bid through the modernized Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, the DPWH website, and the other conspicuous places. May we request the PDS to present the technical requirements and scope of the project. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon, everybody. As for the project contract ID 26J0026, the BIP multipurpose building facilities to support services construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Arena Blanco, Zamboanga City, Zamboanga del Sur. About this project is the area of this project is around 6 by 10, around 60 meters, 2 floors and open area. There's only 2 CRs within it and some architectural design to promote to promote to promote for indigent people, ITs, and then it's somewhat the same for the senior citizen building that we have. About the area, it's an open area with a lot of stable land and near the road, around maybe 2 meters from to the road, the main road. And mostly that's all in the Arena Blanco. And about the contract ID 26JA0033, CPAC access road and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of bridge connecting Barangay Landanglaon to Barangay Busay, Zamboanga City Station 3 plus 725 to Station 3 plus 755. This bridge, it has 3 span. One span is around 8 meters, and one span is around 15 meters, and the other is another 8 meters. We have 2 piers. The total length of this bridge is around 31 meters. The width is 5 meters. And we construct this bridge. It's like one lane. There's only one sidewalk, and the other is we only put a barricade, so for safety purposes. And the girder of this is around only three girders, and it's a spread coating. There's also a cover dam for availability for the construction of the piers. And mostly there's an existing footbridge there. Yeah. We have also the removal of obstruction available item for it. And mostly that's all the bridge.
So last project for the project 26JA0036 CPAC access road and all bridges from national roads leading to major strategic buildings, facilities. Reconstruction of concrete pavement, Barangay Pasbolong, Zamboanga City. This project has a 3-site location, and this section is a existing road. So the scope of work is reconstruction of concrete pavement. So replace and remove lang tayo din yung walang trabaho. And the proposed thickness is 250 kasi and the width is 6.1. So mostly yung natin measure is only pavement only. No other stuff along the roadside. So yun lang ang natin major. And the lastly, meron tayong additional na facilities for the equipment. So meron itong laptop and printers. So that's all for this last project. Meron pa rin tayo operation for maintenance. At least meron tayo for the fuel for natin operation.
Yes, about the Arena Blanco, ma'am. Usually, mayroon tayong pinalagay sa amin yung one coordinate. Tapos, during sa labas ng GAA, Hindi nila nalagay. Oh, yes. So, hindi na namin kilalaw yan kasi sa kanila manantay. Balik bigay natin na official na panino, title niya. Ito talaga na wala siyang person. Yes.
Question. For the record, pati yung last project, may typo error na walang station, okay lang yun.
Kasi yung nakalagay sa, kung anong nakalagay sa
Yun lang yun.
yung mga words and mga spelling, talaga hindi.
Exactly. So, hindi kita pwede mang-correct.
Yes. Sila, pati po.
Ano ba hindi kita mag-correct? Hindi naman yun.
Kasi kung ano spelling, sige lang kita. Unless mag-modification. Hindi lang.
Thank you for your presentation, technical working group. Is there any comments, clarification? Any? Sir, there's mine. So, at least based on the presentation of the technical working group, at least we are aware of the project names. We cannot change that as long as it is being reflected and then yung mga important na item of work. So, in the movement of waste concrete no for 6.1 lang talaga. Wala tayong shoulder. Walang shoulder. 6.1 lang talaga. A width of 6.1, 250 mm. Wala nang shoulder.
Meron sa shoulder.
Meron.
Wala na.
Noted.
Sa plano ko nakikita, meron lang kung shoulder.
Thank you. So, any comments? If there are no further comments, may we have motion for the approved procurement document and authorize the bank secretary to proceed with the posting of the invitation to be. Okay, motions. Who will make the motions? Back members. Ma'am Vilma. I need the word motions so that it will be approved. Yes. Not yet, give motions and then secondly, and then approve. Okay, experience, this is experience, but sometimes, anything?
33, 36.
Clarifications?
Sir Joel, as commence the bridge, until item 451E3.
This is Rawi.
Okay, the same LGU item description. L4051E3.
Yes sir, i-double check ko lang sa kwan. Most likely may nagkamali lang nito. Like error lang sa sir. Pero tingnan ko sir sa lupa.
Please, you may. Engineer Shane.
Regarding po dito sa item number 4051B3, tapos din sila ng item number, but different description is because yung previous po na red book is separate po si superstructure and substructure. Then yung bagong standard PI 2023, isa lang po yung structural concrete revision policy. So, siname na lang po namin. Pero iba po yung description.
Kaya nga, hindi siya pareho sa item description, pero the same item.
Opo, kasi iba kasi yung super and subset.
Kaya nga, isa super, isa sabi. Pero ulo lang yung nila item. Ulo lang yung 4513, 4513,
May I come in? So, the bridge, construction is bridge, there are two parts. And one part is the substructure, and the other is the superstructure, yung foundations, yung substructure, yung depth, at sa taas yung superstructure. So, siguro in the clarifications of engineering, the same siyang description, pero belong to lower, ano siya, based on the books, sa ano siya, sa book, 2023.
Yung standard PI ng mga.
So,
Isa lang kasi sir yung structural concrete 27.8 SI, KFPA.
but that still stand in case there are other person, other verifying that yes, at least nakita natin. So when other people will ask or other person will inquire us, so we know how to answer them.
Iba din po yung
Sige, perhaps, kung halimbawa, ang pinaka-importante dyan is masagot natin sila. Kung halimbawa, point of clarification na. Ang sa akin lang, there are two parts. Mayroon sa baba, mayroon sa taas. Pero kung halimbawa, ma-justify natin in that manner, okay lang yan. Kaya nga si Pak, para at least walang ano sa atin.
siguro sige, mas parang
I-separate.
puno yan ang mga item for 5113, covered parts yan ang mga superstructure, substructure.
Actually, sir, yung sa substructure, dapat yung sa mga 21 PSI, 21 MPA lang siya. Tapos, sa pan namin, sa structural analysis natin, ginawa natin siyang 27. So, yes. Tinataas lang namin yung pan yung PSI na, kasi according sa pan namin, sa analysis namin, mas hindi siya mag-fail sa 27 kaysa sa 21. Bali, ang substructure kasi, sir, nasa taas yun siya.
So, wala naman ang problem doon sa one.
Yes, sir.
Description. Yung tinatanong kung okay na ba yun.
Mostly, sir, na-encounter ko kanina, sir, parang ina-act lang yung dalawa, sir.
Kasi ang iniiwasan natin, lead to confusion.
Yes,
So,
yes.
ang point lang natin is the presentation, how we can
Yes,
present na medyo hindi malito. So, meron suggestion si Bak na why not make it ganitong item and then ano mo, i-segregate ito, substructure ito, superstructure. I don't know paano siya, in the convenient way, para hindi tayo malito. Therefore, so, sige lang, at least noted na yan siya.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, this is a procurement, mabuti na-discuss natin yan. So, pero along the way, ano nga tayo, baka bukas meron tayong magandang pwede sa'yo ma-alis yan, o ma-change pa, whatever, index, or artist lang yan siya. Mabuti na pag-usapan yan. Rather than doon na natin paano tayo, hindi natin sa mga sagot ng manos.
Okay, sir.
So, perhaps siguro, along the way, pwede natin siya or mapaalis pa ba yan, whatever.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sige, thank you. Anything else? Okay, you may.
Yung skill sheet para sa after gamitin for showing, ita-turn over ba?
Basta purchase kasi, sir, as per usual, sir, pag purchase yung sa showroom natin, tina-turn over talaga. At hindi namin malagay dito na return to the supply. Basta purchase talaga, return talaga.
additional information, mabuti na tanong. So, for clarification, so, in our previous mga ongoing construction, so, meron yung dalawang purchase at saka rental. Kasi minsan, maano tayo dito, ano tayo ng buwan dito, pag halimbawa sila natapos, kasi sila mag-inventory tapos na, tapos pinahanap sa atin. Ako, dalawang beses ako na ano dyan, na power, yung mga ganyan. Especially how much is the amount ng ating masakit sa mata, tapos hanapin niya lang sa atin. So, mabuti ang tanong, and then para, pag halimbawa natin in the process until awarded and for implementation, na-explain natin yan maliwanag. Sabi natin, ito, pag i-purchase yan, it must be turned after the completion of the project. It must be turned over to the implementing sa office. Ganun pang pagka-implement. Pag halimbawa purchase, pag rental, so, dapat mas maganda siguro, maglagay tayo ng remarks. Yes. Para, may mga parang pa lang nakita. Para di mahirap kasi mag-ano tayo dito, mag-debata tayo. Wala tayong isip. Pag-ano ka na. Kasi pwede nila yan, pwede sila mag-ano sa atin. Pero it was reflected in the DUPA, self-explanatory na agad.
Noted, sir.
Yung mga to all mga technical working groups who are preparing plans and programs and program of works, ilagay talaga. Specific ko ilagay doon na at least safe tayo. Kung hanapin tayo, gusto ninyo ba mahuli kayo tapos wala kayo doon, dapat ilatag talaga para makita loud and clear. Okay? No more discussions? No more. So, okay ba yung motion? Second. So if that's been seconded, so there's none, so this conference is being adjourned. Thank you everyone for participating.